Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at a spot we have not been at in a very long time. We are at Target about to get into some really good deals this week, and I want you to shop along with me. So you know how we do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into these deals. So the deal that brought me to Target this week is this spend 50, get a $15 gift card on select household essentials. Now they had this deal last week. I didn't have time to come because we had all of the holiday stuff, but now I want to get this deal since it is still going this week. So we're going to pick up $50 worth of household essentials before any manufacturer coupons are factored in, and then we're going to get back a $15 gift card, and we're also going to be submitting back for some rebates to make the deal even sweeter. So let me show you what I'm going to grab. So first item we're going to be grabbing is this Febreze scent booster. So this is $9.99. We're grabbing this because we have a high value $5 coupon that we are going to be using. And that coupon can be found in your Target app. So make sure you go into your Target app and clip that $5. Next up, we're grabbing the 66 ounce Snuggle. So this is $7.19. Now for this, we have double savings. We have a $1.50 Target digital coupon you want to clip. And we also are going to get back $2 from Shopkick. And I should also mention that in the Target app, for some reason, that $1.50 digital does not attach to this item in the app. But when you go up to the register or self-checkout, that $1.50 digital will come off. We're grabbing a $4.99 Dawn Power Wash. I'm going to grab this one right here. In your Target app, you want to clip your $2 digital coupon for this item. Now we're going to grab a $5.99 Mr. Clean. So this is $5.99. We're going to use our $2 digital coupon in your Target app. And I'm also going to grab one of the Zeya, I think that's how you say it, portable fragrance diffusers. So these are $19.99. And in select states, so Georgia, Florida, California, I will have the links to this aisle rebate in select states available in the description box. You can get one of these for completely free, and it counts for that spend 50, get 15. I am going to give you more options, trust and believe, if you are not in one of the states that qualifies for this free aisle offer. So just hang tight in case you're not in one of those states. I'll give you some alternates as well, but I just want to show you what I'm going to be doing. Next, I'm going to be grabbing one of these Airwick double count starter kits. So these oil warmers are $3.79, and we have a $3 digital coupon in our Target app, making it only 79 cents. You can also submit over to checkout 51 for swag bucks for additional ones if you want to pick up more than one. So here is the complete deal that I'm going to be doing. This totals up to $51.94. And we have some digital coupons that are going to come off at the register, giving us some savings. So we're not going to have to pay this $51. First coupon is going to be our $3 off for our Airwick. Then we also have $5 off for the Febreze. We have $2 off for the Dawn. We have $2 off for the Mr. Clean. And we also have $1.50 off for the Snuggle. So after all of those coupons come off, we are going to be at $38.44 that we actually have to pay at the register. But the savings don't stop there, because we're going to get back that $15 gift card for spending 50. We are also going to get back that $19.99 from Aisle in cash back for the fragrance diffuser. And I am also going to get back a total of $2 from Shopkick for the Snuggle. So that's actually going to bring my final cost down to just $1.45, you guys. $1.45 for all of these items, which is absolutely amazing. Now, option number 2 that we have for this deal is with an aisle rebate that we have for these drops laundry detergents. So we have a BOGO aisle offer that we've had for a long while. If you have not done that offer, you can pick up 2 of these as a part of this spend 50 get 15 promotion. Let me show you that breakdown. So here's option number 2, using that aisle rebate for the drops. If you haven't used that already, this is another good deal. So we have 2 of those drops laundry detergents, the Snuggle, the Febreze, and the Airwick. This totals up to $50.95. After the coupons that we have for all of these items, we have the $150 for the Snuggle, we have the $5 for the Febreze, and we have the $3 for the Airwick. We are going to have to pay out $41.45 at the register. Then we're going to get back that $15 Target gift card for spending $50. We'll get back $14.99 from aisle for the drops, and we'll also get back that $2 from Shopkick for the Snuggle. So that'll make final cost for all of these items just $9.46 for everything, which is absolutely amazing because you are getting a ton of laundry detergent in this deal. Now for the next option, this won't require any aisle rebates at all. For this one, we're going to grab one of the Quilted Northern toilet papers. Now my store does not have the pack that I need in stock. I actually need the other one that I'll have up on the screen. I think it's in a blue pack, because for that one we have a $2 digital coupon, but I'm going to put this one in the breakdown just so y'all can get a good visual of this breakdown. Now the bags I'm looking for, I'm going to put up on the screen. It's the 40 count bags. I'm not seeing them on the shelf. They said that my store has them on the app, but I'm not seeing it. And since I'm not actually going to do this deal, I'm not going to take a lot of time to look for them, but make sure that you actually get one of the bags that match the Ibotta rebate if you decide to do this deal. So this is our last option with no aisle rebates included. And again, for these two items, the Quilted Northern, make sure you scan in the Target app to get the one that attaches to the $2 digital coupon. For the Ziploc, make sure that you scan in your Ibotta app. So you just scan the barcode on the product to make sure that you have the one for this offer that I have up on the screen. Now this totals up to $50.93 before any coupons are applied, so we can get back that $15. We have the Airwick for $3.79. We have that $3 digital coupon. We have the Febreze for $9.99. We have the $5 digital coupon. $5.99 for the Mr. Clean $2 digital coupon. For this, no coupons, but I'm getting back $1.75 on Ibotta. This Quilted Northern is $12.99. We have a $2 digital coupon. The Snuggle is $7.19 with a $1.50 digital coupon, and this Dawn is $4.99 with a $2 digital coupon. So after all of our digital coupons, we are going to be at $35.43 that we actually have to pay out at the register. You can roll in a Target gift card if you already have one. Then we're going to get back that $15 in a Target gift card. Plus, we're going to get back, you can submit back for right now for $2.25 on Fetch for the Quilted Northern, but one of those rebates is going to expire soon, so it might be down to $1.50 by the time this video airs. And we also have that $2 coming back for the Snuggle. If you were to get both of those offers on Fetch, it would be $16.18 deal. If you have to add in that additional 75 cents from Fetch, if that is expired, it'll be $16.93, so not a big difference there. Still a phenomenal deal for everything that we are getting in this transaction, especially with the Quilted Northern included. Another aisle rebate that I'm going to redeem is on the St. James Tea. So we do have an aisle rebate to get one of these for completely free $99. So I'm going to go on ahead, because I want to try this brand. I'm going to go on ahead and try this for free. So I'll pay the $269 but get back $269 in cash, making this free. Next thing I want to grab is some vitamins. So Ollie vitamins are my favorite. I take multivitamins every single day, and I'm actually pretty low on them. So I'm going to be doing this deal, grabbing two of these $12.89 women's multivitamins. So this week, these are buy one, get one 50% off. If you are a Target Circle member, you know every month that we get a Target Circle freebie. I am going to redeem the Target Circle freebie for $5 off any vitamins to help me out with this deal. So these two are buy one, get one 50% off. So one will ring out for $6.44. The other one is $12.89. So both will total us up to $19.33. I'm going to use that $5 Target Circle coupon that I have at the register. I'll have to pay out $14.33. But then I am going to submit over to Ibotta, because we have, I'm going to drop my phone. We have $4 back on each one. So I'll get back a total of $8 from Ibotta as well for these two. And that will bring bring my final cost for these two down to $6.33 or just $3.16. The last freebie I wanted to pick up is on the Yasso, and my storage freezer went out, so I had to have somebody get this from the back for me. Thankfully, they did have some in the freezer in the back. So these are not on sale. They're regular price for $5.49. Check your Swagbucks account or your Inbox Dollars, all of the sister sites, to see what value rebate that you have, because it can vary anywhere from $4. Some accounts will have $4.50. Some will have $5. On one of my Inbox Dollars accounts, I do have $6 back for each set of two. So I'll get $12 back total when I pick up 4. So that's what we're going to do. And we also have rebates on Fetch Rewards, and we have rebates on Checkout 51. Now, the Fetch offer can vary as well, but if you have $2 back on Fetch Rewards, you can get back $2 back on each one of these. On the account that I'm going to be using, actually I only have $1 back, but if you have $2 back, that will give you a total back of $8 there from Fetch, bringing you down to $1.96. And then we also have a Checkout 51 rebate. It is giving out $1.30 back for each one with a limit of 5. So if you can add in that Checkout 51 as well, that'll make 4 of these completely free plus a $3.24 moneymaker. Since I only have the $1 back on Fetch, I am going to have to pay 76 cents for all 4 of these, which is completely fine with me because I actually love these. So this was a beautiful trip at Target for me. I did save an extra $3.21, and I used my Target Red card on this trip. So that brought my total down to just $76.06 plus my taxes for me to pay for everything that I picked up in this cart today. I got back my $15 gift card for spending $50 on the household deal. I got back $22.98 in cash back from Aisle. I got back the $12 from Inbox Dollars for the Yasso. I got back $4.50 from Fetch Rewards, $2 from Shopkick, and $8 from Ibotta. So after all of that cash back, this cost me everything, just $6.38. So let me know if you have any questions, y'all. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button, hype up this video, and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you as a part of my coupon family. As always, you guys, I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.